Can TickTick help with focus and task management for ADHD? If you or someone you know struggles with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, you might be curious about tools that can help with focus and task management. One such tool is TickTick, which offers several features designed to assist individuals facing challenges like distractibility and difficulty in prioritizing tasks. TickTick combines a to-do list, calendar, habit tracker, and a built-in Pomodoro timer in one easy-to-use interface. This means you do not have to switch between different applications, which can be overwhelming. With TickTick, you can quickly jot down tasks and ideas, set multiple reminders to help you remember important things, and assign priority levels to tasks. This visual distinction between low, medium, and high-priority tasks can help you focus on what needs to be done first. The built-in Pomodoro timer is particularly useful. It encourages you to work in short bursts, typically 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This approach can help you start tasks and keep your momentum going, which is often a challenge for those with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. For those who want to prioritize effectively, TickTick offers an Eisenhower Matrix view in the premium version. This feature allows you to sort tasks by urgency and importance, making it easier to tackle what matters most. Another helpful aspect is the habit tracker. Many individuals with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder find it hard to maintain daily routines. The habit tracker can help you build consistent habits with visual reminders and alerts to keep you on track. When it comes to managing your study time, TickTick allows you to plan your day or week with a mix of larger and smaller tasks. This balance can make your workload feel more manageable. The app also has a statistics dashboard that shows you patterns in your task completion, helping you refine your workflow over time. Additionally, TickTick integrates with automation tools, allowing you to streamline task entry from emails or chats. This can reduce the friction in managing your tasks and make it easier to stay organized. Overall, TickTick provides a structured yet flexible system that supports focus, task initiation, prioritization, and routine building. Its combination of task management, time management, and habit tracking tools makes it a practical choice for anyone looking to improve their study time management, especially those with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder.